Hi, Vikas,
Yeah,
can you?
hello. Yes, yes. Yes, sir, I can hear you.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And what about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. And because I think this is our first meeting, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is first.
So, because tell me, how long you have been with English, Sherry?
Yeah, I have been from starting time when start this platform English Sharing from
Oh,
this month.
okay.
Yeah.
So, how was your experience with English, Sherry?
Yeah, English Sharing is a good platform who wants to practice, who wants to do practice. For that, it is very good platform. In by the help of this platform, we can improve our fluency. Yes.
So, have you gone through today's topic?
Yeah, I have checked.
So, it's very interesting topic today.
Yes, sir.
So, you have to imagine yourself as a that you have become a Prime Minister of India. Okay. So, what is the first thing you will do after becoming a Prime Minister?
Yeah, there are so many things I want to do if I were a prime minister. First of all, I want to do means I want to change the education system. I think according to me, our country's education system is not good. That's why there are so many educated means person. They passed they have completed like a graduation and PG. Then also they are not doing anything because they have only the certificate, but they don't know so many things. That's why our education system is not good, I think.
So they do have theoretical knowledge, but they don't have practical knowledge.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, that's good. That's right, sir.
So degree has become like a paper now, just a paper.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, that's why means otherwise graduation or post graduation is a big achievement. After past the graduation or post graduation, they can do so many things. Like if they are not getting job, like any government or private job, then they can do business also. But because they don't have so much knowledge, that's why they can't do anything. Yeah.
Correct. I agree with
Yes.
you.
Yes, sir.
So what are the steps we will take to improve the employment in India?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get.
So what are the steps you will take to improve the unemployment condition in India?
Okay, unemployment. Yes, sir. Yeah, for that there are so many things to do. Like first, first of all, because in our country, like India, it's depend on some farming, like agriculture or like that. Hello, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I received a call.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I should do one thing like I should give loan in the cheap interest rate for farmer, and then they can do so many things in their field. And apart from this, like Lagu Udyog, small industry, yeah,
Okay, you will develop
that
the
type of
small industry.
yes, yes. Then the unemployment will decrease. Yeah,
That's a very good idea to have. So
yeah.
how to tackle the poverty in India?
Poverty, it's because our country's population is high. That's why uh, it is hard to uh, decrease the poverty rate. But then also we can do so many things in like we can first of all we can educate the all people. Then they can understand and they can earn some money somewhere like to do business or anything. And our government some plan is not good. Like I don't like they are giving some ration, but actually who need that ration they are not getting. They are another person getting that ration. That type of plan, it's not helpful for remove the poverty. Yeah.
So, do you think they are providing quality product and ration?
No, no, they are not providing the quality product.
So, what are the steps you will take for hygiene and cleanliness?
Yeah, in hygiene and cleanness, I think like like some plan, our people's mind should be changed. Like in our now present government, they are doing good in this sector, because they are running some plan like clean India mission and like that. Then I think they are doing good in this sector, clean and hygiene, and in this way we can stay clean and hygiene in our country. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. So, already I believe that plan is going on, right? Swachh Bharat. Do you think it is happening in
Yeah.
India?
Yeah, it is happening, but it is not happening like so. Uh, it is not happening well, but some people doing good in, because some people join with that plan, but some people don't know, because of, I think, awareness. Our government is not spreading awareness so much in, like in rural sector. That's why some people in the rural sector, they don't know what is the plan, what is the Clean India mission, like that. That's why it is happening like that. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
because okay, we'll go to the feedback session.
Okay.
So, would
Yeah.
you like to get the feedback?
Yes, sir.
So, we spoke for some time, and I understood that you are like fluent, like you are able to, you know, you are ready to answer any questions.
Okay.
So, I was asking many questions other than the document, right? Like, but you are not reluctant, but you are immediately answering all those questions without any hesitation. So that is good. That
Okay.
is your strength. You are good in answering. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is your strength. And there are some grammatical corrections as well as pronunciation corrections. So that I will tell you now. Okay.
Yeah. I have completed 4 years only. Uh, I have completed 4 years only.
4 years. Here,
Yeah.
4 years. That is one correction. Another one is only is not needed. It's a
Yes.
unnecessary word. Okay. I have
Okay.
completed 4 years. Okay. Only is unnecessary. No need of using that.
Okay. I am new join this sector.
It should be
Yeah.
I am a new joinee in this sector, or you
I
can
am
say I am a new employee in this sector.
okay. Our peoples. Peoples. Yeah, peoples is wrong, because people is already plural. Plural.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Correct.
Small industry.
It should be small scale industry.
Small.
Small scale industry.
Yeah, small skill industry.
Okay.
Okay. Give loan in cheap interest rate. Uh,
Here the proposition is incorrect. Instead of in, we should use with. Give loan with cheap interest rate.
yeah, give loan with cheap
With
interest.
cheap
Yes.
interest.
Okay. So many things I was do. Yeah. Yeah, I was do is a wrong sentence. Means so many things like I have to do like that.
Or you can say so many things I was doing.
Yes, I was doing. Yeah.
Okay. So these are grammatical corrections. questions. Okay, now we'll go to the pronunciation part.
Okay. Because,
Because, sa sound, because.
because, because.
When you say there is a J sound, okay, we have to
Yes,
take
yes.
care of that.
Yeah.
Because.
Business,
Business, business, business,
business,
business.
business.
Okay.
Okay, business. Ration,
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 Ra- ration,
ration.
ration.
Mission,
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 sha sound, mission,
mission.
mission. Okay.
Yeah. Is,
Is,
is, was,
was, with Z sound,
was,
was. Okay,
was.
was. So these are related to pronunciation.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir.
You are good.
You
You are
correct.
good in answering. You are good in fluency. You are good in immediately answering all those questions. The only thing is you have to improve on the grammatical corrections and some pronunciation. Otherwise, you are good. So, do you
Yes,
have any
sir.
questions?
You corrected so many things. In this way, no tutor teach.
So, this is my style. This is what I follow every time.
Yeah.
So, I will make a note of the grammatical things and the pronunciation thing because those are important when we speak, right? Grammar and pronunciation is important.
Yes, sir. That may I know about you, sir, a little bit? Where are you
Oh,
from, sir?
sorry. Okay. So, okay. So, my name is Gopi and I'm from Chennai. I'm
Mhm.
working as a team leader in a company, in a BPO.
Okay.
So as a part
Okay.
time, I'm doing this tutor job,
Okay,
and I
sir.
have like 13 years of experience.
Wow.
So that's all about me. And uh, I have a 2.5 year old kid.
Okay. So I have also a kid. Like I have also a daughter. Only like 2 months.
Oh, 2 months. So you're a new father.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best for improving your skills.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I will see you in the next session.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Take care and see you.